the Harp School in 2003, ostensibly because there was no international summer school for early Irish harp. There wasn't really a focal point in Ireland for the activities to promote this harp. So my initial thought was to have a summer school, to have some sort of week where scholars, musicians, performers, students could all come together and share ideas, have tuition, present the latest scholarly work. Where are you aiming for in the bar? You're there, yeah. And 9 years later, we find ourselves with a reasonably major international summer school for early Irish harp, with all the top performers and scholars in the world coming to Kilkenny each August to mingle with students from all over the world. This year, for example, we have 22 students from 13 different countries. Barnaby Brown is Scotland's premier historical piper.
Meeting people from all over the world, as far west as San Francisco, as far east as Japan. Meeting people who are as enthusiastic about it as I am, and a lot more knowledgeable.
I'm so delighted to be included in this process of restoring the playing and the music of the gClairseach. It's always been my dream that it would happen, and it is happening. And what Siobhan Armstrong has done here, putting together the school, has just lit a fire, and it is wonderful to see.
Well, it's fun to get playing tunes on the wire harp for a difference. It's a lot louder and it's nicer. It's more angel-like.
What I love most is that since the beginning, since I came here, we were presented with different approaches to the wire-strung harp and from different backgrounds.
One of the things that we've talked about in previous years is this idea of continually raising this bar, raising the standards of work in the field. That we come together for the week and we talk about things that, all of us are thinking, well, I'll go away and spend the year working and come back next year. And all of us doing that, the level of the bar just goes up and up and up each year.
The teachers, the people that are here to share very openly what they know, it's the calibre, it's the level that they're at, it's their years of experience and the quality of teaching. It's just amazing. And the inspiration that they've given to me over the years, and the generosity of their ideas and the generosity of the spirit in which they teach.
Perhaps an even more important aspect of the work is that the bringing together of the teachers, the regular staff and visiting teachers creates a high-level seminar atmosphere. We don't call it a seminar, we call it lunch. The most unlikely people chip in with little gems of information, and here at the school we're small enough and flexible enough that can all be part of it.
Where I live in Gran Canaria, there's nothing about the early harps, even European whatsoever. So I have to come here to study and to learn from all the teachers and collect all the music and everything that I can, so I have time to digest at home.
And so you have the early music input, you also have the Irish traditional input, and they all come together and you're discovering so much stuff. Every year you learn so much, you go away, you forget half of it, 3/4 of it, come back, learn, relearn, learn new things.
I do admit I've caught the fever. Being here is, playing the early Gaelic harp is like a highly contagious disease. And I think I'll never get rid of it, so I shall definitely be here next year again.
Hig y gamrel yn leawig, na'n sy'n y grwyr I dawg a falge, fyg mach cys a charst yn marfish, mi yn diw a ffac yn y tîren. An haws y cwyn yn armyn, leis yn bawys fi gadw, gan sy'n mi a wyg yn dwysgwt gaffad a hwms mi gan rydg. Mi yn diw a ffac yn y tîren.